Huawei unveiled the Watch Fit 3, its latest affordable wearable. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 looks same as the Apple Watch. It has a square dial with rounded corners. The rotating digital crown at the top right side and another physical button below mimic the Apple Watch's design. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 is available in a range of 6 colors: black, pink, green, moon white, gray, and pearl white. The watch features a square-shaped premium aluminum alloy body and a 1.82-inch AMOLED display with curved edges on all 4 sides. The display boasts a high peak brightness of 1500 nits and a 77.4% screen-to-body ratio. The watch comes with customizable watch faces, which can be tailored to show preferred data or match personal style preferences. The watch also facilitates easy navigation and functionality through a rotating crown and a function button. The Watch Fit 3 supports over 100 workout modes. The Fit 3 will be a packed 32GB storage. This one will only have 4GB. It uses Bluetooth 5.2 to connect to your smartphone. The 400 mAh battery promises up to 10 days of use, and using a 2-pin charging adapter, it can be recharged back to full in 1 hour and 8 minutes. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.